Throughout history, Liberty Bank has served as a lifeline for minority communities. Following decades of segregation, this was the first Black-run bank in Louisiana, giving underserved communities access to financial services. Since then, Liberty Bank has grown and expanded and now has more than $1 billion in total assets while operating in 10 states all across the country. This father and son have also both served in leadership roles with the National Bankers Association. The National Bankers Association was organized to be a voice and an advocate for minority banks to the United States government to combat marginalization and discrimination against minority banks. As if that was not enough, they have also been a great resource to me and my House Financial Services Committee, whether it was testifying before the committee or regularly briefing me and our members to strengthen laws like the Financial Institutions Reform, Recovery, and Enforcement Act. Now, this law is known as FIREA, and it was legislated by Congress to give regulators the responsibility to promote and preserve minority depository institutions. Unfortunately, since the global financial crisis of 2008, we have lost far too many minority banks. As a matter of fact, we've lost over half of our nation's Black banks, despite the fact that Black banks have proven to be a lifeline to our communities. After decades of discrimination and redlining by traditional banks, we've seen the home ownership gap between Black communities and white communities widen. Black banks have worked to reverse this trend and have a proven track record of increasing home ownership in Black neighborhoods. In addition, Black banks have also provided loans to Black-owned businesses and basically helped to improve the quality of life for underserved people and supported the opportunity for Blacks to improve their ability to access credit. Liberty Bank must be recognized as having been the leader in fighting to correct many of the bad policies that have held back Black communities, preventing them from getting access to affordable credit and capital so they can grow and thrive. I am so proud that I've been able to work closely with Liberty Bank for the past 40 years and have witnessed firsthand the incredible work that the bank has done to support the Black community. The efforts of Liberty Bank for the last half of a century helped to ensure communities received access to affordable housing, allowing families to successfully begin to build generational wealth. The bank has also funded historically Black colleges and universities, supporting the growth of our next generation of Black leaders. I'm pleased to have been able to use my position in the United States Congress to assist Liberty Bank and other minority banks, both when I served first as a member of the Financial Services Committee of the House of Representatives, and since I took the gavel as the chairperson of the committee in 2019. I worked with Liberty Bank and the National Bankers Association to draw attention to such issues as the harmful effects of payday lending. In fact, in 2019, Mr. Todd McDonald came before my committee to describe the bank's efforts to provide responsible, small dollar loans to help consumers when they need it most, instead of saddling them with massive debt and leaving them worse off. Because of this bank's incredible work, I am confident that our communities will continue to thrive. With all that Liberty Bank has accomplished in its first 50 years, I'm confident that Liberty Bank will help to expand home ownership to more families, ensure that small businesses get the capital they need to grow and hire more workers, all which will help break the cycle of poverty in our community. And thank you all for your tremendous work.